Kula manje. Mfokagama lo, we are back with another one. Now, welcome to More Zion Music, yeah, platform where we react to ingoma zaseZion. Ukwawa ukula, well, technically, nje mathiwa nje Zion nje, we are there. So, welcome, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls of Okoko Nabomkulu, to my top subscribers. Hello, appreciate you guys' support, man. Videos are taking off in a crazy way, in a crazy way, like yo, like it's crazy, and I'm so shocked. Anyway, so namhlanje si reactor to ukuphila kwevangeli le yona le UKL. Ngishaya amagugu. I think that's the name of the song. So the video is like 10 minutes, so let's not waste any time. Start right into it. Let's get it. Oh yes, this one is related to Mr. and Mrs. Zondi wedding. So let's see. Okay, judging by the entrance, shoot, the angle they might have shot it was good. So I'm guessing this is the new age Zion music where it's just there is no break in between. Like if bass mic yeah. When they take a breather, mhlambi alto yangena, because this is beautiful. But personally, I don't like the newer Zion wave. Nah. I don't like the sound, but the singing, the singing is wonderful. The singing is impeccable. Like, look, you must understand that ingoma zama-Zion, they're going to keep evolving over time. They're not going to be the same as how they were in Sakul. Now, it's this. This is the new thing. Yes, I might not be the fan because I'm old school, but I cannot sit and lie to you and say these voices are undeniable. Now is on the first part. And at this point, I don't know where is the leader, but nice on the first part, and the attack by EUKN, that's insane, and the pace was too strong, bro. Number one, I have never seen that kind of blue in my life. What blue? What color is that? Is it navy blue? Hey, ela matizana yangena bafethu. It's new colors aswabona eZion. Now they have purple shirts. Ah, that's dope, man. Purple shirts we used to it. Purple and pink. Ah, remember ngaphandle. But that kind of blue, I've never seen it. I have never seen that kind of blue. Guys, nalizwa lebandla leni. Their birth control has to be out of this world to hold it, especially from e-base. Phela base, you have to like, hey, already it takes a lot more shy. No, phela mokhuluma ngebase phela there's something ofanele we keep. You understand? And on top of that, fanele ucula ukuthi, like that is a lot of breath, bro. You're using a lot of breath, though. No, you lose, like you're using a lot of breath, like yo. Guys, I can't help. I just can't help it. Hey, let's just leave. What you try make? What material is that? Yo, let me know in the comment section. Yo. As I was about to say, Alchanga easy, and then somewhere somehow Bangshange is about Bangshange quiff quack. Yeah. You are out of your mind. You know how I like to say, you must be lying. You are lying. You are lying. They're not singing all at the same time, but they kind of are. And there's a time where a specific group of voices sing higher, the rest but like, dude, I always say, ayikho mnandi njengebandla malifika liqula ingoma yayo, their own song, because there you get to sit down and enjoy and actually hear the choir for being there. Because when you sing ingoma yelinye ibandla at another branch or at another church, those people are expecting you to sing it the exact same way that church sings their own song. But Mawfika Nibandla and you guys have your own song. No one can tell you what to say because people don't know what to expect. Like the number of Zion songs that are coming out now, I have a fly machine. That's nonsense. The number of songs as Puma Manje, the level of originality that's coming out of Pama Zion, like innovative, the creative side of it now, it's crazy, man. And with this new, I don't like this new wave. I don't like the singing of the new wave because it's too technical. There is a lot of technicality compared to back then where it was just mostly free form. What I mean, mangithi free form, nabo nabo trust nabo lentuza nabo trust namanje sasenjani, it hasn't changed the way it is. That's free form. But the technical one now you gotta know how to sing. Which is nothing wrong with that. There is nothing wrong. You gotta know how to sing. Until it's most churches are now choir cool. And again, there's nothing wrong with it. There is nothing wrong with it. It shows ukuthi iZion is evolving. iZion as a genre is growing from what it used to be to the way it is now. Because mongapeka like abo blessing, abo trust, abo-believers, pure guardian, ekhaya labangcwele. It's not about ivavrato ngaleyo ndlela leyo. It's now kune-vavrato kakhulu, which is I'm not a fan. But I can't sit here and lie and say it doesn't sound good. I will be lying. It's not the type of Zion music I would listen to, but I'd be lying if I say to you it does not sound good. I'd be lying if I say to you it's not good enough. I'm lying, bro. I am lying because number one, ngisasho namanje, i-birth control yalabantu, breath control, it's out of this world, man. And I understand because well, according to what I've seen and what I know, I understand that because Obatota ababhaya basuka from Posthold and then they come this side. So they bring that. You see, in the final is it's normal in Posthold, but if you really unravel, a lot of Zion churches are becoming apostolic church. Now, apostolic church is different from the normal Zion esijwayele. Angithi abanye yabo Methodists, what and what and what. Then ama Methodists, ikhupha inza and then there's like apostolic Zion churches where it's like this. Because apostol njalo, when you go to apostol, I may not be able to differentiate them, but if you buy tap and clap kakhulu, there's so a lot of them they bring that here. And to be honest with you, Zion kind of needed that because for quite some time Zion was not making moves. So that's why I'd be lying. Just because you don't like something, it doesn't mean it's not good. Don't lie, bro. Because I'm Lusisi Lona, my goodness. I'm loving this. They might just convince me. I think I'll be convinced. Wow. and the crazy thing, she's not screaming. That's the crazy part about all of this. Like this sound is so nice, and they give each other chances to sing. You don't see that. It's been a while since I've heard such, where a person doesn't try to outsing the whole damn choir by themselves. Imagine. Imagine ngokushiya amagugu, that's how much they made. It's insane, man. It's insane, man. Oh, wow. Yeah. Yeah. I'm convinced. No, I'm convinced. It's still not my favorite cup of tea, but dude, I'll be lying if I don't say that was impressive. Like this new style of singing exercise, it's dope. I listen. It's amazing. It's amazing. I mean, this is you. Heck, you can't even wrap your head around it. Like you sitting here, you like these people sing like this. This is normal for them. Like this is how they sound. Number one, the sound was so well balanced. It sounded like a studio. That's when you know that Ibandla Lako don't take chances. That even if when you guys are not at studio, you sound like Usa studio, you guys are not playing around. The church is not, they don't have time to play around. Number one, the first part who's also backing at the same time, she's doing an amazing job. My sister, I don't know you, but I know your voice from now on. Yes, and I will go anywhere. And when I hear your voice, I'm like, EUKL. If Pace Lapana understood what they did, Etena. I didn't hear much of Etena. I think Etena was just outshine. Maybe they don't have a lot of people of Etena, but the bass was there. E alto. Oh, guys, I still say, where would Amazon Church be without women? I mean, I've heard male choirs before, but there's just that smoothing thing that women come with. Just naturally, they have low voices, so they just have a lower voice. Yes, but you get what I'm trying to say. So, yeah, I know UKL. And that's got good news. Is the great part is that yeah, I'm discovering churches, bro. I'm discovering churches. I'm discovering new ways of singing. And look, man, let's not let's criticize, but also namabanda. Ngala, take what I say professionally. Don't take it as a 11 hate. You cannot impress all of us. You cannot impress everyone. Some people will be unimpressed. And me na number you like I said, I don't like the newer way of singing. But what can I do? There's nothing I can do. It's revolution. I mean, it's evolution. Evolution happens all the time. Music has to evolve. Some prefer that way, but this is where we are now. So, although I'm not a fan, I can't sit down here and say I don't appreciate it. I do because that's insane. If breath control, if breath control, why do I keep saying birth? If breath control, is insane. It's insane. The timing of everything. And everything is like a split second. Like as soon as ibase ingathi iyothula itena iyangena. I mean i-alto iyangena. La ngathi alto yathula khona uzoyizwa itena kancane. And then la so and then uzayizwa ke i-back. La so naka i-back khona i-lead ichubeka ingoma i-back iphinde ibuyele. Or i-bass itake like there's constant motion. Kune okay, masoka la siyabhala no siyaphuma siyaphezulu sa. Yeah, but they don't have a beautiful element of surprise, but they have a good element of surprise, if you know what I mean. Like it's like they're not gonna change their sound, but the way it sounds though, that's the thing. The way it sounds, some crazy man. So guys, if you like if you like the content on my channel, make sure that you hit that like button. Doesn't cost a fee. The more you like these videos, the more it can get around, it can get to masses. Whatever social platform you have, WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, just make sure guys, touch a low link and share it to other people. And also make sure that you hit that subscribe button. So if you're watching your phone like this, with your hand on your right, the subscription button is on your right thumb. If you're watching it with left, and that means with the subscription button is on your left, is on your pinky side. So make sure that you hit that subscribe button, man, and let's get this channel to 20 subscribers right now. Skichumaku 12. So I have a good feeling good by the time the 200 but who knows? So in a favorite way of Jupiter, adios.